Hello tech lovers, today's video is on about S85 Pro Mini Drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Drones have become an inseparable part of many people's lives. They are being used for different essential reasons, whether they are used for recreation, business purpose, or other. The more drones are being advanced, the more there has been a rise in quadcopters and other types of drones. One of the newest types of drones on the market is the S85 Pro Drone. This drone is small enough to be carried around easily, but it has some impressive features. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It is about 25 centimeters in length, 20 centimeters in width when it's not folded, and about 13 centimeters in length and 7 centimeters in width when folded. That means it is very portable when folded. With its front light and overall beautiful design, it looks killer. With having foldable and portable design, it is lightweight too, to make outdoor travel easier. It has broken through the traditional color boundaries and integrates appearance and performance. It looks clear and powerful. 4K pixels means that the details you see are 4 times that of 1080 pixel high-definition video. They present better highlights and details. And better highlights means eye-soothing views, and better details means clear and crispy view. This amazing drone is provided with 4K pixels dual cameras. It has a front and a bottom camera. The flyers will get the chance to freely switch the angle of aerial photographic and experience the shock aerial photography effect, where creation is more casual. You will be able to shoot from multi-angle, and it can provide a wider range. Modular batteries are battery that makes it easy to install the battery and pick up. When installing process and related processes become easy, they affect the whole flying process and makes the drone operating thing easy. With 3.7 volts 1200 mAh capacity module design, it lasts up to 15 minutes. It is enough for you to enjoy flying. Now it is time to discuss various functions of RC Drone S85 Pro Mini Drone. Obstacle avoidance adds extra security to a drone. They help the drone not crash into walls or anything else and ensure a safe flight, reducing the worry of damage caused by crashing. This RC mini drone has front left and right 3-way environmental perception ability. It has infrared obstacle sensor which will help to avoid obstacles when encountering obstacles. This obstacle avoidance feature makes the controlling process easier and simpler. Beautifying pictures is easy now. You won't have to worry about beautifying photos. You can take pictures and beautify in one go in a powerful way. Smart hovering is necessary for drones. Smart hovering helps to gather stable and smooth videos. This feature also helps you relax and fly the drone in a relaxed mode and smoothly. This mini drone has smart hover feature that helps it stay stable at all times when flying indoors or outdoors. It provides an anti-shake shooting experience. It also has image transmission feature which will let you watch the excitement in the distance. You can watch the wonderful view that your drone is seeing from far away. That's how you can also keep an eye around the drone if there is something around the drone that can cause harm to the drone. Zoom is necessary for closer view. It makes it possible to view something in a detail and closely. And the zooming ability is also an important factor here. If the zooming ability is less, then you will get a less close view, and if the zooming ability is great and more, then you will get closer view and more details compared with less zoom ability. It has 50 times zooming ability which makes you fearless, gives you creative and freedom to shoot more freely. Gesture photo is a necessary feature for adventurous people. They like to roam around freely and keep photos and videos as a memory. They don't have time to search but or follow long processes to capture photos or videos. They want a shortcut and effective way, and gesture photo matches their requirements well. Because of having gesture photo feature in this drone, you will be able to set up the pose and take a selfie. Aim at the drone camera while flying, and the corresponding gestures can be used to take pictures. Trajectory fingering or waypoint flight helps execute flight plans and provide flight according to your choice, making the flying process easier. You can draw the flight trajectory you want on the app, and the drone will immediately follow your drawing, fly along the trajectory, and provide you with experience of intelligent flight. 360-degree stunt roll are cool to watch, and they helps grab mind-blowing clips. They make the video clips fun to watch and impressive. This mini drone has this 360-degree stunt roll feature. It has a key to easily stage 360-degree aerial stunts rolling. This stunt roll let you ignite the eyes around you. The gravity sensor feature helps the owner of the drone to fly it easily using a mobile phone only. Swinging the mobile phones in different directions is enough for it. No need for button control. In this device, you can control and operate the drone by swinging the front, back, left, and back directions of the mobile phone. Now, it's time to talk about its some pros and cons. Great zooming ability, great camera quality, lightweight and portable, lots of quality features in less money. Beauty shooting ability, image transforming ability, the build material could be better, controlling could be better, stability could be better. Now, the question is it worth buying or not? It is an RC mini drone with 4K professional high-definition dual camera. All the design qualities and multiple features are present in budget money. Can serve multiple purposes for different types of flyers. Flyable by both beginners and pros. There are some beginner-friendly features to help beginners especially. So, this budget-friendly portable and mini drone is enough to be highly recommended. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.